Hi guys, welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today I'm making for you a detox water that is honestly a game changer. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. First I've taken 1 cup of water in my kettle. Into this I am adding half teaspoon methi dana, 3 green elaichi or cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon dhaniya seeds or coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon jeera that is cumin seeds, around 8 to 10 curry leaves, 20 fresh pudina leaves, 15 tulsi leaves or also called holy basil, 1 cucumber thinly sliced, half carrot which is also thinly sliced, 1-inch piece of ginger cut into thin slices, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 lemon cut into fine slices, and finally 1/4 beetroot properly sliced. After adding all these ingredients, I'm filling up the kettle with water. Now leave this mixture for 6 to 7 hours or simply overnight so all the goodness of these ingredients gets infused into the water. Now let me quickly share the significance of each ingredient because this is what makes the drink so powerful. Methi dana helps in digestion, reduces bloating, and even supports weight management. Elaichi or cardamom is naturally detoxifying, also keeps your breath fresh. Dhaniya seeds coriander is excellent for flushing out toxins and cooling down the body. Jeera, that is cumin seeds, boost metabolism and improves gut health. Curry leaves are loaded with antioxidants and they help you with weight management. Mint leaves, super refreshing, aid digestion and keep you cool from inside. Tulsi, holy basil, is known for its immunity boosting properties. Cucumber slices are hydrating and rich in antioxidants. Carrot slices add vitamins and support skin health. Ginger slices are anti-inflammatory, great for digestion and keep your system active. Lemon juice and lemon is rich in vitamin C, balances pH and gives that freshness. Beetroot slices is a natural blood purifier, energy booster and gives your skin that natural glow. That's why I call this a magic detox drink because every single ingredient adds its own unique value. So make a habit of drinking 1 glass in the morning on an empty stomach and you will start seeing the amazing benefits in no time. And that's for today, the detox water recipe. Simple ingredients, big impact. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who's trying to get healthier. For more such easy and healthy recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.